Good day, dear children. Welcome back. We are now on to Act 2. We have completed Act 1. So, in Act 1, it was a total exposition. All the main characters are introduced, and we see that Ferdinand and Miranda's romance is set in, and Prospero is also going to subdue his enemies. We don't see Prospero having being anyway gentle towards Ferdinand. And you should think about the relationship between the characters. That is, the relationship between Prospero and Caliban, the relationship between Prospero and Ariel, the relationship between the nobles. That is Antonio and Sebastian, they are one group. We will see that in Act 2, now Act 2, Scene 1. The Gonzalo and other nobles, Alonso and other nobles are to another side. How they are plotting. The plot of Sebastian and Antonio also comes in this scene, in Scene 2. We are coming to where Ariel had left them. In another part of the island, Ariel has left Alonso and all the other nobles together, and let us see how they are faring. Page 40 in your textbook. Okay. Act 2, Scene 1, another part of the island. Enter Alonso, Sebastian, Antonio, Gonzalo, Adrian, Francisco. Adrian and Francisco is important because they do say something very important. You have not to confuse their dialogues. So when as and when we read on, keep these things in mind. The relationship, and again the sibling rivalry of Antonio and Prospero, the sibling rivalry between Alonso and Sebastian, which will come into play in this scene, and the sibling, if we consider Caliban as a surrogate son of Prospero, we can say the sibling rivalry between Miranda and Caliban. Now, Gonzalo. Beseech you, sir, be merry, be happy. You have cause, so have we all. We all have a reason to be happy, so be happy. Of joy, for our escape is much beyond our loss. Our hint of woe is common every day. Some sailor's wife, the masters of some merchant, and the merchant have just our theme of woe. But for the miracle, I mean our preservation, few in millions can speak like us. Then wisely, good sir, weigh our sorrow with our comfort. Gonzalo is trying to pacify Alonso. Just be happy. We have got our lives. We are alive. Many a sailor's wife lose their husbands. And it is faced by many a sailor's wife. It is faced by many merchants. The first merchant stands for the vessel when they lose their ship. This loss is faced by merchants. But see, it is a miracle that we have got our life back. We are alive. Let us be happy about it. Alonso, prithee, please, don't disturb me. Sebastian, he receives comfort like cold porridge. Where porridge has to be eaten warm. It should be hot, only then it will be tasty. So he is receiving this comfort like cold porridge. Antonio, the visitor will not give him over so. Now you think Gonzalo will leave him? Gonzalo is not going to leave him. Antonio, Sebastian, look, he is winding up the watch of his wit. By and by it will strike. So he is gathering new things to say. He is winding up the watch here means he is gathering new things to say. I don't think he will leave it. Now here, Alonso, Antonio and Sebastian is trying to ridicule Gonzalo, making fun of Gonzalo. Gonzalo, sir, Sebastian, 1, tell. So he's counting 1, 2, 3, 1, tell. Gonzalo, when every grief is entertained that offered comes to the entertainer, see, there will be so many things that will make us sad around us and so many things happy. If you are going to observe all the sad things that is around, $1. Oh, now $1 for that he is saying in the sense of dollar, that money dollar. But there is another dollar, but spelling is different. Punning. He is punning with the words. Dollar means sadness. A dollar comes to him indeed. Yes, sadness comes to him indeed. See the spelling, difference of spelling, please. You have spoken truer than you purposed. Yeah, what you said is right. He is telling Sebastian, what you said is right, Gonzalo. Sebastian, you have taken it wiselier than I meant you should. I did not mean it, but you have taken it wiselier. Therefore, my lord, fie, what a spendthrift he see of his tongue. Why he is wasting his tongue? I prithee spare, Gonzalo. Well, I have done, but yet, yes, I finished. I've finished speaking to you, but yet, Sebastian, he will be talking. He will continue to talk. Which is of he or Adrian, for a good wager, first begins to crow. Now, let us bet. Who is going to speak first? He will speak first, Gonzalo will speak first, or Adrian will speak first. The old cock. So, Sebastian's bet is Gonzalo, old cock. Antonio, the cockerel, means the younger one. So, Antonio will say it is Adrian. Done, the wager. So, what is a bet? A laughter. That is, you will get a laughter from the other person. A match. Okay, done. Though the silence seemed to be a desert, so who speaks first? Adrian speaks first. That was what Antonio said. Adrian will speak first. Sebastian, ha ha ha. So you are paid. So you are paid. The wager is paid.